Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need scheduled maintenance, an oil change, a tune-up. At Chaplins Subaru, we provide complete car care for your Subaru vehicle. Here at our brand new service facility, our highly trained Subaru technicians will be sure to get the job done right, using our state-of-the-art diagnostic tools to provide the best service possible. Visit us at www.chaplinsubaru.com. While you're there, see how to receive a free car wash with any service. Get information about our Express Lube service. Take advantage of our convenient online service appointment scheduling. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come into Chaplins Subaru for more information. Chaplins Subaru is located at 15150 Southeast Eastgate Way in Bellevue, Washington.